Good morning, class. This is your teacher, Miss Green, and I'm your teacher for 10th grade, and today we'll be learning about math.
Teacher, can I use the bathroom?
Yes, you may, can, Jack, but be back in 5 minutes.
Okay. I'm going to pull down the fire alarm switch for a prank. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, it must be a fire alarm. Students, let's go outside.
Well, what happened? I'm sorry, sir, but there is no fire. What? Are you kidding me? There is no fire. It must have been a prank. I'm going to check on the security camera and see who's the one who pulled down the fire alarm. Oh, it is Jack who pulled down the fire alarm switch. I'm going to make an announcement. Okay, everyone. This is not a fire drill when fire alarm goes off. However, Jack pulled down the fire alarm switch for a prank. A security camera caught it. Teachers, if you have him in the classroom, please send him to my office. Thank you.
Jack, how dare you pull down the fire alarm switch for a prank? That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Jack, why did you pull down the fire alarm switch?
Well, I just want to prank the whole school.
Jack, how dare you pull down the fire alarm switch for a prank? That's it. You are suspended for 3 weeks. Your parents is on his way.
Jack, let's go home right now. You are going to be a lot of trouble. Jack, I can't believe you got suspended from school for pulling the fire alarm switch for a prank. Did you know that fire alarm causes damages and killing students at school? And principal told me that you are not allowed to do that. You are grounded forever. And for your punishment, you are not allowed to go to Chuck E. Cheese as ever again. You will be forced to watch shows rated for babies. And you will be forced to only eat at restaurants that you hate. And you be wearing nappies for rest of your life. And I'm going to put a nappy on you. There. Your nappies is on. You will go pee-pees and poo-poos in nappies instead of the toilet. If you ever take it off, you will be grounded extra more. Now march upstairs to your room right now.
Why?